Got a quick project today. I've got a folding chair that is not quite working. Here is the chair in question. It's a folding chair, and the issue is that I got this loose bar. That bar should not be loose. It should be secured. I'm going to show you how to secure it. It's going to be pretty easy, pretty quick, assuming you've got a few spare screws. Here's the issue in question. This bar should fit in there, and there should be a screw that goes right there. Luckily, I've got the other side that is not broken. You can see there's the screw. And it's not a great option to secure. The screw does not even go all the way through. You can see you could go all the way through and bite into this piece of plastic. You can see there's no corresponding hole on the back side. So I would guess just whatever forces have somehow caused that screw to come out. I'm going to see if I can find a screw that fits this hole first. I may need to drill a bit larger depending on what screws I have, because I'm not going to buy a screw. So let's see what I've got in the junk bin that will fit right here. Oh, and bonus, I've got another chair, and both bars are out. Look at that. That one's out. That one's out. So I need 3 screws in total. Let's see what I've got. Look at that. Whenever I need some screws, this is where I go. And look at that one right on top. That looks good. That looks good. Those are actually the same size. That'd make drilling easier. So all 3 of those look to be the same size. Will they fit my holes? I don't know. But you know, I've got some options. You can see I come across screws, I keep them because every now and then I need them. So the order on these 3 screws, not big enough. I need something a little bit bigger. This one might work. That head's a little bit large just for what I'm wanting to do. Let me dig through here. Let me see if we can find something a little bit bigger. If you don't have one of these, screw bolt size charts things, it is awesome. So I can tell this is a 7 by 32 inch screw. At least that's what it fits in. I'm going to back it up 2 sizes, enlarge the hole to that. That's why I stuck to coarse thread, because if I stuck to machine thread, I would need to tap this hole. And I don't have anything sized like that. I was looking at these bolts at first. Those are machine threads. I can't tap this hole. I don't have anything that fits. This is coarse. I think if I just drill the hole correctly, it'll kind of self-tap as this metal. It's pretty thin. And I think part of the reason it doesn't want to try to force it in just as it is. But the hole's a little bit small. You can see it looks like it's kind of punched it. So let's get to drilling. Here's the drill, 3/16 bit. Let's see what happens. So you can see right there, basically it's self-tap. I was hoping if I could get the hole just right where I could get it to thread in. It did. It's got a pretty good hold on it. I just need to make sure that the plastic hole is big enough that I'll need to drill the 7/32 inch size, because this is not structural at all. This is just holding this piece to this piece, so the screw needs to pass completely through it, no threading. So there it is. I mean, it's pretty stout. Hopefully it'll be more stout than this connection. I may be replacing this one in the future. Maybe I should replace it now, and you can see how loose that is, but it's still kind of there. We'll leave it for now. We'll see how it goes. I can always pull out another screw from the junk drawer. I've got another chair to do, so I'm going to do that one as well. So the thing about a project like this is that it plays. You are going to come into some kind of situation where you have a piece of metal and a piece of plastic, and you want to tie them together, and you're going to have something that breaks, just like this. This kind of thing, it'll play everywhere. Get some junk screws, hold on to them, come across screws, just keep them in a bin. If you have a box of junk screws, they're going to come in handy like this all the time. A lot of people say, hey, this chair is no good, I'm going to toss it. But you know what? I just showed you fixing it in a few minutes. The longest part is finding the right screw that would fit. Now, yeah, I kind of forced that screw into there, but you know what? It works. It'll work for a while, work for the time being. So there you have it. Quick fix, save your chair, or whatever else you got going. Because if you're in any situation, this is going to play.